Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans if you're brand new here, and I am decorating in my first ever horizontal planner, and it is starting to be for the year of 2022. So this is the first official week. And I say that because it's still technically December, but we're starting in January on Saturday. But I am really, oh my gosh, I am more excited for this planner than I think any of my other planners because I am doing a brand new layout that I've never done before. So I mean, technically, I've had a horizontal planner before I was introduced to the Happy Planner, but I mean, that was when I was in high school, you know, and right when I first got married in 2014. But ever since I got started with the Happy Planner, I got into the vertical and I've never looked back. But I really wanted to get the horizontal because it's lined, and this is for my journal. So I wanted my journal to have lines so that I could write on the lines and it not, I don't know, I knew that that would be more helpful for me. So I'm really looking forward to this. I also got this planner on clearance, which was so crazy because this is a Marabou design. And look, I already like put my name in it and everything when I set it up in my planner lineup video. If you haven't seen that already, I'll link that. But this week, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I thought using Digital Detox this week would be really nice. I am going to try, okay, don't hold me to this, but I'm going to try this year in my journal to just use whatever stickers I want. I don't want to have my catch-all and my social media to always be seasonal. I want, you know, because those two are always seasonal, I want my journal to be whatever I want. And you know, maybe a lot of other people do that and they're like, okay, that, yeah, I mean, I always do that. But for me, I am so stuck in my ways to do seasonal stuff. Like I can't use bright stickers in the winter. I can't use like gold in the summer. I don't know. I'm like so crazy. But anyways, I want my journal to be whatever I want, like however I'm feeling. So this week, because it's like the holidays are over and we're going into the new year, I really want to use Digital Detox because it's like pressing pause, connecting in real life, like disconnecting, unplugging, all of that. And I really like the color scheme. So I'm just going to do it. And I'm really looking forward to this. So let's go ahead and begin. So because this is my journal, I really like don't need to put down anything functionally. Maybe I'll put down a box if there's going to be something like big going on. But other than that, I really just want to like decorate it, make it cute, but leave space so that I can journal each day. And that'll be it. So let's see. Unplug and breathe. Ooh, I love that. Let's do that. I'm going to put a space to put where I unplug every day. So I'm just going to stick these up here really quick. If I sound weird, my throat, I slept with the window open at my mother-in-law's house because she keeps the heat on like crazy. And yeah, I think it gave me like, you know, I was breathing in that cold air. I kind of got like a sore throat, but we're good. We are all good. Let's do... Let's do this take a walk one. Disconnecting from... Oh, this is good. Let's do this. Oh my gosh. Okay. So because I've never like done this before, it's going to probably take a little bit. I got to like figure out what I'm doing, you know, figure out my method that I want to do. Ooh, look at this. This week's challenge. Download a phone usage app. Limit yourself to 2 hours a day. Choose an evening this week. Turn off your phone. Ooh, I like that. I really like this one. I really like that. I really want to do that. Okay. So let's see. I'll maybe put that down here. So I'm going to choose an evening this week to turn off my phone. So let me choose the day, actually. I can't just put it on the end. I'm going to put the unplugged thing over here. Unplug and breathe. I'm going to kind of like put it in the middle kind of thing. And I want to put like a New Year's thing right here. Okay, out of this original seasonal, I'm going to take this one out. And they look really similar. Maybe I won't. Hold on. Let's do this one instead, where it just says Happy New Year. And then I'll do like this hat. Okay. This is like, you know, the beginning of the week where I gotta kind of like set the stage for what I want the week to look like, stuff like that. So I'll put it there. Oh, take a bath. I'm gonna do because I'm not feeling so good, you know? So I'm gonna put that, Wednesday. Oh, and take a nap. Probably be a good idea too. Let's see, start making time to live my best life. Ooh, that's so good. That's like a great reminder for the beginning of the year. Finding peace in I love this bottom section that's just notes. Like, that's probably going to be a big area where I can either journal a lot on Sunday or I can have extra space to decorate and stuff, you know? So this says the same thing. Start making time to live my best life. And so I can make like a list. I don't love the colors though. Maybe I could do purple. All right, let me pull this up. Ooh, do a crossword puzzle. Yes. Ooh, what if I do a crossword puzzle in the bath? Oh my gosh. Yes. I am going to be living it up. Let me get some washi. Maybe to pull in some of this black, I'm going to use my favorite one. That helps to pull in that black. Put it like right here. I'm obsessed already with this horizontal layout. This is like so fun. Time alone this week. Let's do, I'm kind of running out of space because Now Monday, I just have this. Tuesday, pretty much this. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so I really don't have that much room. So now it's just a little bit here and there. This is the only thing that's pink, so I think I need to put another one somewhere. Maybe like up here or something. Observations, that's a good place where I can write things, but now I'm not really having much more space. I'll get used to the whole layout, you know, more time for, oh, that would have been nice. R&R, relax and recharge. I think that's what it means. You know what? I'm gonna take up this one and make it and do a purple one instead because I don't have any purple. That really helped to pull in that purple. Oh, look at this offline. That's so cute. Maybe put it like over here. Oh, look. And then at the end of the day, I can like give myself little awards. I called my friend instead of texting. I let my phone die. I didn't check my email. I didn't use my phone at dinner. So cute. All right. I think that's it. I don't want to do too much because, like I said, this is my journal. So I need to have room to write and everything. But I think I really like it. I also have this Cheers washi that I just remembered that I have. So I think I should also put it on my catch-all page too. But that is something that would probably be good for the new year. It seems so heavy in the black. I don't know if I love it, but it's all good. Also, the discs are pink, which I'm not, you know, crazy about. I need to probably switch them to be more wintry right now, but I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you use a horizontal layout and what you functionally use it for. All right. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Make sure if you like this video, hit the like button as well as click the subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.